Hey, good morning. It's me, Eddie. And yesterday, a lot of people were asking about how to bookmark and kind of just help organize your life while you're navigating all these new worlds. So, if first I want to say, just make sure you use Google Chrome because that's what everything is. That's where everything that we're using is kind of taking place in BCSD, and then it's kind of good practice too for a lot of the things that we have at CSUB. So once you get the Google Chrome browser, once you make sure that you're using that, you're going to notice that there's a couple of things happening here on mine. One of them is that here I have, these are my bookmarks, and in my bookmarks they're basically just quick links that I could click on to get to things that I use fairly often, or just things that I want to try and remember. So like I want to get to my CSUB, to my website, to my channel, to Twitter, to things that I have from school. Now, the way that you can set that up is, well, I'm going to walk you through that. So first, you need to have the websites that you want to bookmark. I want to bookmark this one. This is the Citizen Science Project, where my job is funded through at CSUB. And I also want to bookmark our Cuter instructional support page. And then I want to bookmark Flipgrid. So what I do is when I go to the site, I can go up here to the three little dots. I can go to bookmark, and then I want to bookmark this tab. So bookmark this tab. You can also see that it has a shortcut, Control D. I'm just going to click on it, and now you see that the Citizen Science Project shows up there. Maybe the title is too long, so I'll just call it CSP. Let's say I want to bookmark my Cuter instructional support site, so I come back up here to the three dots, bookmarks, bookmark this tab, or I could have pressed Control D, and I'll put Cuter BCSD. And then I use Flipgrid a lot, so I want to make sure that I keep that. I could go up here again, bookmarks, bookmark this tab, and I just want the app name, Flipgrid, done. Now, you can also remove these and kind of just get them out of the view as needed. So I can go to bookmarks and then show bookmark bar. So that could be Control Shift B. And then you can see that it just kind of makes it go away. So if you're ever wondering, where are my bookmarks? There they are. I could go back to bookmarks and then show bookmarks and bring them back. So I hope that's helpful. Reach out if you have any questions.